Hey guys, it's me, Rodney Marquez. I'm going to show you 3 tips to catching rainbow trout on Pautzke FireBait. Tip number 1, gear. I like to use light gear intended for trout. You can go anywhere from a cheap Walmart fishing pole to a more traditional pole such as the ultralight series from Presso or Shimano. Personally, I like using an ultralight 8-foot Presso rod with the Shimano 500 FD. I like to use light line all the way to 6-pound test to the lesser 4-pound tested line. Traditionally, I like using 2-pound tests when mini jigging. However, since the trout are going to swallow the bait, you will want to have thicker line to avoid from teeth cutting. Tip number 2, the Trout Dog. There's many Trout Dog products out there, and it's often hard to select a good one. Personally, I like Pautzke FireBait, as it has its variety of colors and its enhanced scent. As I said years ago in my other trout fishing videos, if the trout aren't biting one color, change, and change again until they find a good color to bite on. Tip number 3, the rig. When using Trout Dough, Carolina rig is the way to go. I like using a 1/6 ounce to a 1/8 ounce egg weight attached to the main line, to the swivel, and then a 1 to 2 foot leader line. The hook size is important. When covering your treble hook with fire bait, you want the bait to float and not sink down to the bottom. I recommend a size 16 or a size 14 treble hook. As your bait floats up away from the egg weight and off the bottom, it will float in the water column and in the trout's strike zone. Strike zone, the area where the trout are more likely to bite, is 1 foot off the floor to the level of where the trout are cruising. Personally, I have better luck adjusting the leader line length to the level of where the trout are swimming. Where to cast. I generally like being mobile, hiking around the lake and finding discrepancies in the water such as water boils will give away where the trout are swimming. Sometimes, even birds can tell you exactly where the trout are. However, having a good pair of fishing glasses can help you spot cruising trout from shore. I personally like using Oakley fishing glasses as it reduces the glare and enhances the contrast of the trout, so it's easier to spot. If you like these types of videos, please comment below, give a thumbs up. I appreciate all the positive vibes. Without further ado, let's go ahead and catch some trout. Let's go. Grab a nice little pinch size amount of dough, roll it in a ball, and then cover that treble hook with that trout dough. So you're covering the hook completely. And that's pretty much it. We're actually gonna go ahead and hike around the lake, try to find the schools of trout, and then cast this trout dough, this Carolina rig, right in the middle of the school. And hopefully the scent is gonna attract these fish to bite. I see the trout out in front. I'm gonna use this fire bait from Pautzke. Thanks Chris for hooking it up, just FYI. That's perfect right there. There you go, I see a trout. Oh. There you go. There you go. That was like, how long?
Not in 30 seconds.
Less than 30 seconds right there. Good old Pautzke trout bait right there.
Where can I get some of that?
Online.
Yeah,
I put it in the description below. Oh, there you go. This is actually my 5th trout for today, stock trout, hence why I'm handling it like this. But that was less than 30 seconds right where the trout are swimming by. Hopes this video helps you guys catch some trout. Let's try and get more than 500 likes on this video, and I'll make another trout fishing video just like this. Comment below, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate all the positive vibes. Again, my name is Rodney Marquez, and always, thanks for watching. See ya. Both got 5 trout on each stringer. And this is your first time catching trout, right?
Hell yeah.
But how do you feel catching with these ones, man?
It felt great. You know, I felt accomplished.
Felt accomplished.
I feel pro now. Let's go.
Let's go.